The roar of the crowd, the explosion of powers. Now you can capture that Marvel magic in your own fan edits using Capcut. Welcome, aspiring Marvel editors. Today, we're diving deep into Capcut to unlock the secrets behind those electrifying Marvel movie trailers. We're not just editing. We're building a universe, one clip at a time. First things first, import all the Marvel footage you want to use into Capcut. Think epic fight scenes, dramatic character moments, and those signature sweeping shots. Drag and drop them onto your timeline. Marvel trailers are all about pacing. We're going to chop and slice our clips with precision. Select a clip, place the playhead where you want it to start or end, and use the trim tool to cut out the excess. Think quick cuts to build intensity, and longer shots for emotional impact or to showcase a grand spectacle. Now, let's inject some superhero speed. Select a clip and head over to the speed adjustment for those heart-pounding action sequences. Try curve adjustments to create dramatic slow-motion moments, followed by explosive bursts of speed. Experiment with different curve presets until you get that perfect sense of motion. Marvel's visual style is instantly recognizable. We'll achieve this with strategic effects. Browse Capcut's video effects library. Look for effects like glitch or shake. To simulate energy blasts or dramatic impacts, apply them sparingly and strategically to enhance key moments. Titles and text are crucial. Go to the Text tab and choose a font that screams superhero. Think bold, impactful fonts. Then, animate your text to appear with a bang, a quick fade in, a zoom, or even a subtle flicker for that extra Marvel flair. Add a glow effect to make your titles pop. No superhero edit is complete without a thunderous soundtrack. Import your epic music, soaring orchestral scores, or intense electronic beats. Sync your cuts to the rhythm of the music. Use the audio editor to boost the impact of sound effects, and ensure the music swells at just the right moments. Finally, render your masterpiece. Export your video in the highest resolution possible. You've now learned to harness the power of Capcut to create your own high-impact Marvel-style edits. Bringing that superhero energy to your creations, go forth and build your cinematic universe.